So it turns out that deboning chicken feet is that simple. With just a piece of dental floss, you can cleanly debone 10 feet in 5 minutes. It's true. You learn something new every day. Hello, and welcome back to the Clever Tricks channel. The weather is getting nicer, and on such a sunny day, do you feel like eating something cold? How about deboned chicken feet, for example? Today, I'll show you how to debone chicken feet easily, cleanly, and quickly. Let's take a look. First, I'll show you how to choose good chicken feet. When choosing, prioritize those with a naturally pinkish-white color, smooth and dry skin, with no foul smell or sliminess. Fresh chicken feet feel firm, have good elasticity, intact nails, and no broken parts. Avoid overly pale feet with dark spots or mushy texture. They might have been chemically treated. For salads or deboning, industrial chicken feet are ideal because they're large, easy to handle, and stay crunchy after boiling. For salads or deboning, industrial chicken feet are the ideal choice because they are large, easy to prepare, and have a nice crunch after boiling. When processing the chicken feet you've bought, the first step is to cut off the nails. This helps the blood in the chicken feet drain out more easily. If the blood isn't fully drained, the chicken feet will have a strong fishy smell and affect the flavor. Additionally, the nails are prone to dirt containing bacteria and impurities. Cutting them off makes the dish more hygienic and safer. I have created subtitles in multiple languages. Please select your preferred language. Comment below and let me know which country you are watching from. It's amazing that we can connect from all around the world. After cutting the nails, put the chicken feet in a basin and sprinkle some salt evenly over them. Roll up your sleeves and start gently but firmly massaging them. During this process, the salt grains act like tiny guards, scrubbing off dirt, slime, and bacteria stuck on the skin of the chicken feet. At the same time, the salt helps draw out any remaining blood, effectively reducing the fishy smell. Once done, slowly add water to the basin to rinse off the salt and impurities. Where are you from? It's such a joy that we're connecting from all over the world. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, hit the subscribe button. Thank you for your support. Rinse multiple times until the water is completely clear, indicating the chicken feet are thoroughly clean. Drain them and set aside. Place the chicken feet in a pot, adding a few slices of ginger and green onions tied neatly. The spicy smell of ginger and the fresh aroma of green onions will help eliminate the fishy odor during boiling while creating a pleasant fragrance. Next, pour cold water into the pot. Note: boiling chicken feet must start with cold water. As the water gradually heats up, the blood and fishy smell will slowly escape. If you start with boiling water, the protein will coagulate immediately, trapping the fishy smell inside, making it hard to remove completely. As the water heats up, a lot of foam will form on the surface. This is blood, dirt, and coagulated protein. You must quickly skim off this foam to keep the water clear and clean. Then, continue boiling the chicken feet. This short boiling time helps the meat firm up, the tendons soften, making it easier to debone later. When done, take them out and rinse them again in warm water to remove any remaining dirt or foam. Gently squeeze and wash each part of the chicken feet by hand to ensure they're completely clean. Then, drain them again. Arrange the chicken feet on a clean plate. Then place them in the freezer compartment of the refrigerator. Chilling them will cause the skin and meat to contract, making it easier to separate the meat from the bones. This makes deboning much smoother. ensuring the chicken feet don't tear, resulting in a beautiful and appealing final product. While waiting for them to chill, prepare the ingredients for the deboned chicken feet salad. Take half an onion, slice it thinly and evenly, and place it on a plate. Cut a lemon into moderately thin slices. The lemon juice splashes out with a fresh aroma, making you want to eat right away. Remove the seeds from each lemon slice, as the seeds can create a bitter taste if left in during marinating. Next, prepare a few bird's eye chilies, slicing them into thin, even rings. These tiny chilies are vibrant and colorful. Place everything on the plate. Prepare a few garlic cloves, slice them thinly and evenly, and add them to the plate. Finally, take a handful of cilantro, chop it into small pieces, and place it on the plate. These ingredients will create a wonderful flavor for the chicken feet salad. By now, the chicken feet in the freezer should be chilled just enough. Take the chicken feet out. The meat is now firm, ideal for deboning. Prepare a piece of dental floss. Don't underestimate it. It's a powerful assistant. Use the pointed end of the dental floss to make a slight incision at the joint between the large bone and the meat. Then, thread the floss through, gently pulling it up and down. The floss will help separate the meat and bone easily. Once the large bone is partially detached, make a small cut at each toe of the chicken foot. Thread the dental floss through the cut and pull back and forth. The meat and bone will separate smoothly. It must be said that using dental floss is very convenient. Doing it by hand can be painful and time-consuming. The floss makes deboning much faster. The crispy cartilage can be easily snapped off. Then break off the large bone. Finally, remove the small joint bones and you're done. It may seem complicated, but thanks to dental floss, deboning becomes extremely easy. Alternatively, you can debone chicken feet using another method that's also quick and effective. Use a spoon to make a cut at the main bone of the chicken foot and at the tip of the toes, then slide the spoon to separate the skin and bone. The shape of the spoon fits the chicken foot bone perfectly, making it easy to separate. Do the same for both sides of the chicken foot. For the large bone, use the spoon to separate the skin, then gently push it out, and you're done. Now you can start deboning very easily. The large bone can be gently broken off. So simple. The toe joints are similar. Just make a light cut at the joints, then use the spoon to scrape while the bone is still contracted and the skin is still elastic, and you can remove the entire toe, including the nail. Very quick and easy. The chicken feet, once done, are smooth, white, plump, and appetizing. After processing 10 pieces, prepare to mix the salad. Now, put all the sliced onions, lemon slices, garlic slices, bird's eye chilies, and cilantro into a bowl. Add a pinch of salt, 1 large tablespoon of fish sauce, and half a tablespoon of aromatic vinegar. Put on gloves and mix the ingredients thoroughly in the bowl. At this point, you can already enjoy the chicken feet salad. If you have time, cover it with plastic wrap and refrigerate. It will be cooler and even more delicious. Absolutely tasty. Take a bite. The chicken feet are chewy and tender, melting in your mouth. The flavorful spices burst across your taste buds with a rich taste that everyone loves. Each chew is crunchy and chewy, impossible to stop eating. And that's it for today's video. No matter how busy you are, don't forget to eat well and stay healthy, okay? Let's live joyfully and healthily every day. Don't forget to follow my channel. See you in the next video with more useful tips.